today we're gonna actually start on like the frame or structure of the greenhouse. And so we've got our plans. These are just kind of rough plans. Something like this, if you notice all the studs are missing, that's because the program was hard to use and I didn't want to spend time doing that. But we have our approximate shape, and luckily the wood fairy made a deliver right over here. Just driving a door down a sidewalk. Yesterday we made it all the way to the beginning of the roof structure, and then we found out that our local hardware store does not sell 18-foot 2x8s for the top beam there. So my parents went to a super secret lumber store that they know of, and they are on their way here with a big 2x8 right now. So we'll get to that in a minute. We got some siding cut, so we'll do the siding for the bottom of the greenhouse. So that is the end of day 2 of the greenhouse. We got half the roof joists up, but the sun's about to set and it's about to get really cold tonight. We have to bring a lot of plants in, winterize some of them outside. And why are we doing that?
We don't have a greenhouse yet.
Because winter is coming.
Oh, because winter is coming.
That is the last of the roof joists. Everyone is up in there. The plexiglass came the other day, so I'm gonna go get that and see if we can start figuring out how to attach these things. It's starting to look more like a greenhouse now that it has a little bit of a roof. The white film on the plexiglass will come off whenever we're done. That's just to keep it from getting scratched for now. We got some pieces of trim on here to hold the plexiglass in place. What we need to do next is rip some pieces of 2x4 to go over and seam them together. What we've got here is some foil tape for the top of the plexiglass and some anti-dust tape for the bottom. So foil tape keeps out the water, anti-dust lets it breathe and keeps dust out so they don't get dirty. And what we're gonna do next is take the panels back off, put this stuff on because I'm gonna probably leave them up there for a while to get everything together. Then we'll take everything back apart, paint the thing, put it back together again. Slight change in plans. We have decided to stop construction on the greenhouse because Erin doesn't want a greenhouse anymore.
I want a White House.
She wants a White House. My plan was build the greenhouse, take it apart and paint it. Erin thinks that's a bad idea. And so what do you do when your wife thinks you have a bad idea?
Okay.
You go with her idea. So the greenhouse is painted, mostly. We ran out of paint, we ran out of patience. The only problem with today was, you know how they say, like, your body's stress makes you age? I think painting like really stressed Erin out today. She aged like, I don't know, at least 60 or 70 years. Yeah, it's really good in the back. Yeah. Here at Zero to Awesome, we like to make strange corners. That way, we're forced to make even stranger boards for your greenhouse pleasure. These 3 windows that are still open over here are going to be vent windows that will open when it gets hot. So in order to make that happen, we need to close these off, just like this guy over here. Make it flush on the side. So since we got this gap here from the plexiglass, we need to route out a little bit of this side. So the edge will sit down flush, then the other part of the wood will sit on top of this and make it look all nice and neat. So we need to do that for these 2 panels and that one over there also. And then we can start making some vent windows. Don't know exactly how that's gonna work, but we'll figure it out. So these ones that are left open are going to be our vent panels. So whenever it gets hot, they will open up, and whenever it gets cold, they will close. And in order to do that, we have some things. We've got some stainless steel hinges so they don't rust. And we also have automatic ventilation of greenhouse. These are little piston things that I think they have wax in them, and whenever they get hot, they expand. They open these things, and then whenever they get cold, they contract. So you don't need any power to run them. You can just put them on and let them go. So that is up next. What we're gonna do is, in order to keep the water out, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna frame these kind of out and up, and then make a panel or like trim around these, and put that over our frame that we make with our hinges and our things, and it'll, I don't know, it'll turn out. So this is what we've devised. Erin, please hold Exhibit A.
Yes.
Okay, so this will go make a frame around the hole. We got plexiglass, goes into this guy, make a frame out of that, and then that will sit down on top of our frame and keep all the water out, hopefully.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my workout for the day,
Huh.
where you land on something pointy and enjoy it for a little while.
It's almost like somebody built the outside of the greenhouse and then built the inside.
It's a little backwards. And there you have it, a full roof with 3 window things. Now we just gotta figure out how to attach them and make them actually work. What do you think of your roof, Erin?
I love it.
Is it roof enough for you?
Yeah.
Do you want to raise it? Just a little bit? We should raise the roof. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Forgot that the plexiglass over here needs to sit on the outside of the trim boards, and so we need to route out a little channel up here for them to sit in. And this is it. Erin is about to put in the final screw on the greenhouse. Don't mess it up.
God,
no pressure. If you break it, we have to start over again.
Don't say that.
Ooh,
I did it.
that was nice. And, ooh, are you taking a bow? Today is the day we undo all of our hard work.